Hi! Are you ready to discover some incredible facts about Australia? From the outback to the cityscape, Australia is a place of diversity and beauty. So, whether you're an avid traveler or a curious learner, join us for a journey through 20 fascinating facts about Australia. Let's get started! Australia is home to the world's largest cattle station and a creek station. The property covers over 23,000 kilometers square and is larger than Israel. The station is located in the South Australian outback and is home to over 16,000 cattle. The station has been owned by the Williams family since the 1900s. The town of Coober Pedy in South Australia is known as the opal capital of the world. Over 80% of the world's opals are found there, and the town is built on top of a huge opal field. Due to the extreme heat, many of the residents live underground in dugouts to escape the scorching temperatures. The longest straight stretch of railway track in the world is in Australia. The line runs for 478 kilometers between the towns of Kalgoorlie and Newman in Western Australia. The line was built to transport iron from the Pilbara region to the port at Port Hedland. Australia is home to some of the world's most iconic natural wonders, including Uluru, the Great Barrier Reef, and the 12 Apostles. Uluru is a large sandstone rock formation in the Northern Territory that's sacred to the local Aboriginal people. Australia is the only country in the world to have a pink lake, Lake Hillier in Western Australia. The lake's water is permanently pink due to the presence of a certain type of seaweed and bacteria. The lake is located on Middle Island, and its color can be seen from the air. Australia is the world's largest island, but the smallest continent. It's roughly the size of the United States' contiguous 48 states, and it's the sixth largest country in the world by land area. The continent is located between the Indian and Pacific Oceans and is known for its diverse landscapes. Australia is one of the world's most urbanized countries, with over 85% of its population living in cities and urban areas. The country's largest cities are Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Perth, and Adelaide. Sydney is the most populous city in Australia, with over 5 million people. Australia is home to many unique and fascinating animals. The kangaroo is the country's most famous marsupial and is known for its ability to hop long distances. The koala is a small marsupial that's only found in Australia. The platypus is a semi-aquatic mammal that's only found in eastern Australia. The Australian economy is one of the largest and most developed in the world. It's a mixed market economy with a strong emphasis on trade, particularly with other countries in the Asia-Pacific region. The country's main industries include mining, agriculture, and tourism. The Australian Aboriginal people are believed to have lived on the continent for over 60,000 years, making them one of the oldest continuous cultures in the world. They have a rich cultural heritage that includes a unique language, art, and storytelling tradition. The Sydney Harbour Bridge is one of Australia's most iconic landmarks. It was completed in 1932 and is the largest steel arch bridge in the world. It spans over 1,000 meters and is one of the main transportation routes in Sydney. The bridge is also a popular site for bungee jumping and climbing. Australia is a constitutional monarchy, with King Charles III as the head of state. The King is represented in Australia by the Governor-General. Australia also has a parliamentary democracy, with the Prime Minister as the head of government. The country is home to the world's largest sand island, Fraser Island, and the largest monolith, Mount Augustus. It also has some of the world's most ancient rock formations, including the Bungle Bungle Range and the Flinders Ranges. The Great Barrier Reef is not only the world's largest coral reef system, but also the world's largest living organism, with over 2,900 individual coral reefs and more than 900 islands. Also, is home to more than 1,500 species of fish, 215 species of birds, 30 species of whales and dolphins. The Australian Alps, located in southeastern Australia, receive more annual snowfall than Switzerland. Mount Kosciuszko is the highest mountain in Australia at 2,228 meters tall. The Australian Alps are also home to many unique plant and animal species, including the mountain pygmy possum. Australia is the driest inhabited continent in the world, with an average annual rainfall of only 419 millimeters. The country's arid center, known as the outback, is one of the most sparsely populated regions on the planet. However, many unique plant and animal species are found in the outback. Australia has more than 10,000 beaches with a total coastline length of over 50,000 kilometers. Bondi Beach, located in Sydney, is known for its lively atmosphere and excellent surf conditions. Other popular beaches in Australia include Surfers Paradise, Manly Beach, and Cable Beach. The Royal Flying Doctor Service is a non-profit organization that provides medical services to people living in rural and remote areas of Australia. The service uses planes equipped with medical supplies and equipment to transport doctors and nurses to patients in need. The longest fence in the world is the Dingo Fence. The fence is over 5,500 kilometers long and was built in the 1880s to protect farmers' sheep from dingoes, wild dogs that are native to Australia. The fence runs through 3 Australian states, and today it is still used to protect livestock. Australia is home to some of the world's deadliest creatures, including snakes, spiders, and marine animals such as box jellyfish and cone snails. The country also has a variety of less dangerous but equally fascinating creatures, including the wombat and the echidna, a unique mammal that lays eggs. We hope you enjoyed learning about these fascinating facts about Australia. The country truly has something for everyone. So next time you're planning a trip, be sure to consider visiting this country and explore all that it has to offer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!